Surviving narcissistic abuse isn't just about escaping the pain, it's about rediscovering your strength, your identity, and your peace. For Sigma INFJ, the journey to healing is unique, fueled by their intuition and resilience. If you've been hurt but are ready to thrive, stay with me. This is your guide to turning the pain into power and building the life you truly deserve. Narcissistic abuse leaves scars on your trust, your self-worth, and even your sense of reality. But as a Sigma INFJ, you have a unique ability to not just survive, but thrive after the storm. Your intuition, independence, and resilience are your greatest allies on the path to healing. In this video, we're diving deep into the steps Sigma INFJ can take to rebuild their confidence, rediscover their identity, and protect their peace. Whether you're just starting your healing journey or looking for ways to move forward, this guide is here to remind you you are stronger than you think, and your best chapter is yet to come. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the damage. Narcissistic abuse leaves a profound emotional impact, often leaving survivors grappling with self-doubt, trust issues, and emotional exhaustion. The manipulative tactics of a narcissist, like gaslighting and constant criticism, erode your confidence, making you question your worth and instincts. You may find it difficult to trust others, fearing manipulation or betrayal. Emotional exhaustion becomes a constant companion, as the abuse drains your energy and focus. Acknowledging this damage is the first step toward healing. By understanding the toll it has taken, you can begin to reclaim your sense of self, rebuild trust in your intuition, and lay the foundation for recovery. 2. Reclaiming your intuition. For Sigma INFJ, intuition is a powerful gift, but narcissistic abuse can cause you to question it. The constant gaslighting and manipulation make you doubt your instincts, leaving you disconnected from your inner voice. Reclaiming your intuition starts with small, intentional steps. Spend time in solitude, reflecting on your feelings and listening to your gut without outside influence. Journaling or meditation can help you reconnect with your inner wisdom. Trust the subtle signals your intuition gives, even if they feel unfamiliar at first. As you rebuild this trust, your intuition will become your greatest ally in navigating life and protecting your peace. 3. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for healing and protecting yourself from future harm. After narcissistic abuse, it's vital to redefine what behaviors are acceptable and enforce those limits without compromise. Boundaries empower you to prioritize your needs, ensuring your energy and peace are not drained by others. Start small by identifying areas where you feel vulnerable, be it emotional, physical, or mental space, and establish clear rules to protect them. Communicate your boundaries assertively, and remember that enforcement is key. Those who respect you will honor them. Strong boundaries act as a shield, allowing you to reclaim control and safeguard your well-being. 4. Rediscovering your identity. Narcissistic abuse often overshadows your identity, leaving you disconnected from who you truly are. Rediscovering your identity is about reconnecting with your values, passions, and interests, those things that make you uniquely you. Start by reflecting on what you once loved but may have set aside during the relationship. Explore hobbies, activities, or goals that bring you joy and fulfillment. Journaling can help uncover forgotten dreams or aspirations. Surround yourself with environments and people that celebrate your authenticity. This process isn't just about healing, it's about rebuilding a life rooted in your true self, free from the shadows of the past. 5. Healing through solitude. Healing through solitude is a powerful process, especially for Sigma INFJ who thrive in moments of introspection. After narcissistic abuse, taking time to be alone allows you to process your emotions, rebuild your confidence, and regain clarity. Solitude creates a safe space to reflect on what happened, identify lessons learned, and reconnect with your inner self. Practices like journaling, meditation, or simply spending time in nature can help you sort through the emotional weight and rediscover your strengths. For Sigma INFJ, solitude isn't loneliness, it's a sanctuary for growth, renewal, and preparing to re-enter the world with newfound resilience and purpose. 6. Finding safe connections. After experiencing narcissistic abuse, building safe connections is crucial for healing. Seek relationships with people who respect your empathy, independence, and boundaries. Healthy connections feel mutual, supportive, and free of manipulation. Look for individuals who listen without judgment, celebrate your growth, and encourage you to be authentic. Don't rush, take your time to observe actions over words, ensuring trust is earned gradually. Safe connections help restore your faith in relationships, offering you the emotional support and understanding you deserve. Surrounding yourself with people who uplift rather than drain you is a key step toward rebuilding a life filled with genuine connection. 7. Emotional resilience. Building emotional resilience after narcissistic abuse involves processing and overcoming the heavy emotions left behind, such as guilt, anger, or sadness. Start by allowing yourself to feel these emotions without judgment. They're a natural response to what you've endured. Journaling, therapy, or even creative outlets like art can help release pent-up feelings. Practice mindfulness to stay grounded, focusing on the present rather than replaying past hurts. Reframe guilt as a sign of your empathy, not your weakness, and channel anger into motivation for personal growth. Emotional resilience is about acknowledging your pain, learning from it, and transforming it into strength and clarity. 8. Turning pain into purpose. For Sigma INFJ, turning pain into purpose is a transformative step in healing. Your experiences with narcissistic abuse, though painful, can become a source of strength and meaning. Use what you've learned to support others who may be going through similar struggles, whether through sharing your story, offering guidance, or simply being a compassionate listener. Finding purpose in your pain gives it a sense of value, helping you grow rather than letting the experience define you. This shift not only empowers you but also allows you to create a positive ripple effect, proving that even the darkest times can lead to light. 9. Practicing self-care. Practicing self-care is essential for rebuilding strength and confidence after narcissistic abuse. Focus on holistic self-care routines that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Physically, prioritize healthy eating, regular exercise, and restful sleep to restore your energy. Mentally, engage in activities that stimulate your mind, like reading or learning a new skill, and practice mindfulness to reduce stress. Emotionally, allow yourself to feel and process your emotions while seeking support through journaling, therapy, or trusted connections. Self-care is not selfish, it's the foundation for healing and thriving. By prioritizing your well-being, you regain control and rebuild a life of resilience and balance. 10. Embracing a thriving future. Embracing a thriving future means stepping into a life where freedom, purpose, and peace take center stage. After breaking free from narcissistic control, you have the opportunity to rebuild a life that reflects your true self. Focus on pursuing goals that align with your values and passions, and create routines that bring you joy and fulfillment. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you and respect your boundaries. Let go of past pain and embrace your resilience, knowing you're stronger than ever. A thriving future is about reclaiming your power and living authentically, with a renewed sense of hope and possibility. Healing from narcissistic abuse isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving and reclaiming your peace, power, and purpose. If this video resonated with you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and resilience. Remember, your journey doesn't end with the pain, it begins with your transformation. Start today and take the first step toward the thriving future you deserve.